In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip web pages with Notebook Web Clipper in Zoho Notebook. The Notebook Web Clipper is a simple browser extension that helps you save articles, text, images, and links straight into Zoho Notebook as synced notes. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to capture content cleanly, keep it organized, and access it across your devices without any extra effort. First, install the Notebook Web Clipper extension. It's available for major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. In Chrome, search for Notebook Web Clipper in the Chrome Web Store and click Add to Chrome. In Firefox, install it from the Firefox add-ons site. For Safari or Edge, use their respective extension galleries. Once it's added, look for the notebook icon in your browser's toolbar. If prompted, sign into your Zoho account so your clips sync to Notebook. If you don't see the icon, consider pinning it from your browser's extensions menu, so it's always within reach. Now let's clip from a web page. Navigate to the page you want to save and click the Notebook Web Clipper icon. You'll see several options. Choose Article or Clean View to capture just the main text of an article without ads or sidebars. If you only need a snippet, highlight the text first and choose to save the selection. To capture visuals, use Screenshot or Image to grab part of the page as a photo. If you just want quick access later, save a bookmark or link-only card. You can even start a new note right from the extension if you're collecting thoughts as you browse. A preview will show how your clip will look, and you can switch between saving it as text, a screenshot, a bookmark, or a photo, depending on what makes the most sense. Before saving, take a moment to organize. Pick the notebook where the clip belongs so everything stays tidy. Add tags to group-related notes and set reminders if you need to follow up. If you captured an image or screenshot, you can annotate it to highlight key details. When everything looks right, click Save. Your clipped content is instantly stored as a note card in Zoho Notebook and synced across your devices. There are a few special features worth knowing. Reader or Clean View helps you focus on just the core content of cluttered pages. Screenshots and annotations let you capture exactly what you see and mark it up for clarity. And in some versions, you can take meeting notes during online calls for services like Zoom or WebEx, keeping call highlights and links together. That's it. Install, clip what you need, organize before saving, and use the special tools to keep your notes clean and useful.